everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple, easy and authentic Andhra dish called Majjiga Charu. This is tempered buttermilk which is perfect for the summers. It's very simple to make, so let's get started and check it out. To begin, I've got all the ingredients ready for this perfect summer cooler. For this recipe I'm using 400 grams of curd. It's nice and thick. To that, add 2 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Whisk it all together until smooth and creamy. Once it's all well combined, gradually add enough water and mix it all to get the right buttermilk consistency. If you want to dilute it a little more, you can add a little extra water later. So now we have the buttermilk base. Let's prepare the tadka, that is a tempering. That's what brings the magic. In a large pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Roast them until the mustard splutters and the dals turn golden. Now add half teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1 red chilli cut, 3 fresh green chilies and sauté them. Then add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, a small piece of ginger finely chopped. Add about 12 to 15 finely chopped sambar onions or shallots. If you don't have these, you can just use the regular onions. Saute everything gently and then toss in a handful of fresh curry leaves. Make sure to keep the flame on low while doing this tempering. When we add the buttermilk later, we don't want the pan to be too hot. Once the tempering is ready, slowly pour in the prepared buttermilk. Gently stir it all together. Keeping the flame on low, let it simmer for about 2 minutes and keep stirring it at intervals. I prefer the buttermilk rasam a bit thick, but if you like it a little more diluted, feel free to add a bit more water at this stage. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves on top. There you go, here is your delicious buttermilk rasam that's ready to be served. With the addition of small onions, ginger and garlic, this buttermilk rasam is packed with flavor and has a wonderful crunch, and it is super refreshing. This traditional buttermilk rasam is perfect for beating the summer heat. Well, it's time to taste this delicious Majjiga Charu. It's a nice hot steaming rice. Actually can't wait. The flavors are just so good. The crunchiness of the onions and the little bits of ginger. Fantastic flavors. Such a simple and easy dish. You can literally make it in 10 minutes and the taste and the flavors are just fabulous. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.